All right, what's up? A little different style video today. I want to show y'all a couple of things I got for Christmas that's going to help with building the S10 and with drag racing in general. But first, I want to thank y'all for all the support on the last video. Thank you for all the likes and comments. I try to answer all the comments. I try to help the people that ask for help, and we got a lot of subscribers from that video, so thank y'all for that. If you would and you like what I'm doing, then let me know. But yeah, let me turn y'all around and I will show y'all what we picked up. So the first thing I got was this welder. It is a Vulcan ProTig 205. The reason I got this welder is I wanted to be able to do aluminum. I've never done aluminum, so I've been doing a little bit of practicing. This is kind of, the first couple of days, just learning the settings and watching a lot of videos on how to clean aluminum and how to, weld it properly. This is kind of what I did today. Just kind of worked on some outside corner joints. It's not the best, so don't roast me in the comments and tell me they look like crap. I mean, I know, but I'm pretty happy with that. If the intercooler piping and all that on the S10 look like this, then I'll be really happy. So I'm gonna try to build and weld as much things on the truck as I can, maybe a catch can and a couple other things. So yeah, so I've been practicing my welding. The only welding I've ever done before is like scratch start stainless and mild steel. So now we can TIG weld everything at the house. Before, I would have to tack it together with a flux core welder, and then I would have to take it somewhere else to be welded. So the second thing I got was a set of wireless scales. I picked these up off of Facebook Marketplace. I got a really good deal on them. I've already used them a couple of times on a buddy's car to help him scale out his car. I'm really glad that I got these before we were done with the S10. That way we can scale the truck as we're building it, and we can move weight around however we want to. So the scales are going to help a lot. The welder is game changing. I used to have to tack stuff together, take it somewhere else and weld it. And a lot of times when I got back, it didn't fit like I wanted it to. So I'm really happy to have these two pieces of equipment. It's gonna help a lot. The next thing I'm gonna get is a generator. So when we go to the track, I can run a battery charger and I can run my cooling fans. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just wanted to show y'all some things I got for Christmas, kind of document my welding so I can look back and see how much better I've gotten over the years, because I can improve a lot on this. And I think I really like welding aluminum. It's just everything has to be clean. So after I learned that, then it's gotten a lot better. So I'm gonna keep practicing, and I'll show y'all, the stuff that we weld and build for the truck. And yeah, but that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Again, thank y'all for all the support. If y'all would, keep commenting, tell me what you want to see, give me some suggestions, like the video, and subscribe if you're not. I know you probably hear that from everybody, but yeah, that's gonna do it. I'll catch y'all next time.